Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we have a June Glossybox unboxing. This arrived yesterday. I attempted to film it, but unfortunately my camera wasn't in focus, so I am actually refilming this video today. I've filmed a couple more Glossybox unboxing videos, so that's why I look the same in the next couple of videos, just for some background. So this box actually is a little bit different because this box is technically not a glossy box. It is actually a glossy bag, which looks like this. Again, I'll talk more about this in a minute or two, and we'll talk about everything within this box. So as always, whenever you order a glossy box, you get a couple of leaflets. So we have a Nivea advertisement there with a barcode to win a £200 voucher. We have a HelloFresh advertisement, and we have a Tails.com, so pet food one, and then a Wiles deodorant one for 50% off, which I'm actually quite excited about this one. So we have a couple of those. Now on to the actual glossy box. Like I say, this month was a bit different because this was a glossy bag. It looks like this, really pretty. When I ordered this, I was kind of expecting the products to actually come within the bag, but I like the fact that the products are separate to the bag just in case anything leaked, and I like the fact that the bag is sealed separately. So I will open this, and then at the end we will come back to this bag and talk a little bit about this bag in more detail because I think it is stunning. So in terms of products, we have gotten 5 products within this box with an extra product thrown in, so we have 6 products. I am going to get up the Glossybox magazine on my phone so we can talk a little bit about these products. Again, if you do ever order the Glossybox and you go onto your Glossybox account through the Glossy Lounge, there is a section where you can download the Glossybox magazine for that month. So I've just got that up so I can talk a little bit more in detail about the products. So the first product in here is the Anatomicals New York, London, Paris and Foam Body Cleanser. It looks like this. Pink packaging, not hugely dissimilar to the Snow Fairy packaging from Lush. This is described as being a fruity body cleanser. This is described as being a fruity body cleanser to make you feel refreshed wherever you are in the world, whether it's a glamorous capital city or locations the jet set don't normally venture. Let the luxurious cleanser absorb into your body as you contribute to making our planet a better place to call home. Retails for £4.50. And this smells really nice. It smells really fruity. It smells like raspberries or blackberries. So it has that berry fruitiness, but that's the first product that we got. The second product we have got, and I have opened this because like I said I got this box yesterday, is the Ready Set Go setting powder by Lottie London. This says that this setting powder helps you set your makeup in place so your skin stays flawless throughout the day. Apply the setting face powder over foundation, paying attention to areas that are prone to shine for long lasting natural matte finish, and this retails for £3.95. So like I say, I have opened it, so I will show you a little bit of what this looks like to the best of my ability. So I'll just get a bit on my finger. So this is described as being a pink setting powder. Don't know how well that will come across on camera, but that's what it looks like. And then if I swatch it, it's quite a sheer pink, which is quite nice. So I think I would probably be able to get away with using this as a overall face powder, which I'm looking forward to using. So I do think I would be able to use this as a general setting powder. So that was the second product. The third product we've got is the Gatinoe Collagen Expert Ceramide Smoothing Cream. Looks like this. And this is described as being a luxurious, hydrating and nourishing cream with a beautiful, comforting texture. Formulated with 3 types of collagen, ceramides, fatty acids, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It's a powerful cream that is clinically proven to smooth and plump the skin. It's targeting the signs of age, and it boosts elasticity while working to protect your skin. This retails for £24. I have been told that collagen has to be ingested rather than put on topically for it to actually work. Again, I don't know if that's true or not, but we have that. Looking forward to giving this a go and seeing how I get on with that. We then have this product, which I'm very excited about, and this is probably one of my favourite products within this glossy box, and this is the Made by Mitchell blush. This says enhance your natural colour with Made by Mitchell cream blusher, and this retails for £14. I believe this is a full size. Looks like this, and it is in the shade Melon Sorbet. Looks like that. It's quite a different shade for me. I tend to wear pinks in terms of blusher, but I will still swatch it. So swatched, it looks like that. It's quite peachy, if you can see. I'm just going to sheer it out and blend it in. So a little bit does seem to blend out quite nicely. Blended in, it looks like that. I will give this a go and see how I get on with it. I think if I don't end up wearing this as a blusher, this might make a really nice lip colour, sheared out a little bit. But I am excited to give this a go. We have the next product. Just before I show you this product, so if you signed up to the Glossybox subscription package, so I signed up last month, meaning this is my second month with the subscription. So when it was May's box, within that box we had a QR code where we had to pick the fragrance that we wanted for the next month's box. So for the box of June, which is this one, we were able to select the perfume that we wanted. Now they have a couple of different ones, and at the time I picked Bonbon. Now I haven't actually received Bonbon, I just want to be really transparent. I received this one, which is the Ghost Orb of Night perfume. Even though I did select the Viktor and Rolf Bonbon perfume, so I was a little bit disappointed because I didn't select this one. I did select the Bonbon perfume, and I did select it well within the cut-off point. So I don't know why I received this one when I didn't pick it. No first world problems, it's not a huge issue. I am just a tiny bit disappointed because I was excited for Bonbon, that's why I picked it. Nonetheless, I have this one, and like I say, it's not a big deal. I don't know though if that has happened to anyone else. And as always, I just want to be really transparent on my channel and tell you that that did happen, even though I did select Bonbon. But anyway, this perfume retails for £9.67. There is a different range of perfumes you could have got. You could have got a Hawaiian Tropics perfume, a Ghost perfume, a Viktor and Rolf Bonbon perfume. You could have got a Sarah Jessica Parker one, a commodity one, Revolution. You could have also got a tan, apparently. And if you were a new subscriber, you were getting an Avant perfume. So this is what my one looks like. It is in the shape of a little moon, which I love. I love the packaging of this. It doesn't have a little spray on it. It's one of the pore kind of applicators. In terms of scent, I don't personally love it. I think it's a nice scent. It's not necessarily a scent I would go out and repurchase, but I do think this is nice. It's quite a strong scent, and it's quite a traditional kind of scent in terms of a perfume, but that is quite a nice size, and I will use this. I just don't think I would actively go out and repurchase it, but I do love the packaging. What I do think is also really good that I noticed yesterday is this perfume is also vegan, so I definitely think that is noteworthy. Like I say, love the packaging. The scent isn't bad, I just don't love the scent. And that was the last product that we got. We did also get this thrown in as, I guess, a bit of an extra. I think all of the boxes have got this, and this is the Nivea Soft Cream in the 25ml. I really like the Nivea cream. I especially like the Nivea Blue Tin cream. This cream is really hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. I tend to use the Nivea cream on my face, and I've not had any problems with that, but I do tend to get dry and sensitive skin. Quickly to run over all of the products before I tell you my overall thoughts. So we got the first product, which is the Anatomicals body wash. Lottie London, the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Melon Sorbet. swatched. Looks like that. We then have the Gatanoe Collagen Face Cream. Looks like that. And then we have the fifth product, which is the perfume of choice. In my case was the Ghost Orb of Night perfume. And then we have that little freebie, which is the Nivea Soft Cream. So they were all of the products that we got. I just want to show you the bag out of its packaging and spend a minute or two talking a little bit about this. So this feels like a quilted bag material. It has the Glossybox sewn into it and it looks like this. It is quite a good size, as you can see. It's just pink on the insides. Quite a nice size bag, and I really like this pattern. I think it's very summery, very florally, and in terms of quality this bag feels like it's quite nice quality actually. So do really like that. Really like the print. I really like this glossy box or glossy bag, depending on how you want to view it. I'm going to be keeping every single thing out of this month's edition. I really like this edition. I think this edition was really great. I love the products, I love the bag. I am a bit, as I say, disappointed that I didn't actually get the perfume that I selected. However, I think that this was a brilliant month and I really have enjoyed this. So let me know your thoughts below if you got this box and what your chosen perfume was and just your general thoughts on this box. Like I say, I think this one was really good and I think this one was really well worth the money overall, perfume aside. So that has been my overall thoughts on this one. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and I'll speak to you in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.